Hi little readers! Welcome back to another Digraph Day. Now, let's start our lesson with our Digraph Rap. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. 2 letters, 1 sound. Our 2 letters this week are O and A. O and A. But the sound is, together, they make the sound ow. Ow. Then the action is ow. When you hurt yourself, you say ow. Ouch. Okay? So, ow. Ow. Now let's sing it.
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Now let's look at some ow words. Sometimes you can find them at the beginning, and usually you find them in the middle. Okay? As always, I will do the action. We both sound out the letters, and you try to read it before it pops out. Okay? Let's start with ow. T. Again, ow. T. Out. Out. Next, ow. R. Ow. R. Hour. Hour. Next, S. Ow. R. S. Ow. R. Sour. Sour. Next, O. Ow. D. O. Ow. D. Loud. Loud. And K. O. Ow. D. K. O. Ow. D. Cloud. Cloud. Now it's time for your solo work. However, this time it's extra challenge for you. Why? Because the digraph ow likes to work with other digraphs. So you have to blend digraph to digraph. Ready? You can do this! So, first word is S. Again. South. South. Next, we have again. Pouch. Pouch. Next is mouth. Mouth. Next is again. Pouch. Pouch. Next we have, the last one is one more time. What is it? It's round. Round. Well done. You did splendidly again today. So I will see you in the next digraph. Rap and sing with me. And if you like this, please like and subscribe. See you next time.